Oh, I already know what's in here, but I do not know what it looks like, and I am literally so thrilled. Ooh, this is a package from one of my favorites, Rituel De Fille. I love their cream pigments, and I know for a fact that these are new cream pigments. I am not going to hesitate because I'm going to use these immediately. I already have a full face of makeup on, but you can use these in a number of ways. I love this. This is brilliant, and I wish some brands would take note. There's a note in here that literally in all capital letters it says confidential. Please keep this a secret until April 29th. Will do. This is way far off from April 29th, so I will be sure to edit this and keep this a secret to myself because it's not hard to do. It's actually not hard to not post a brand's secret until after they've launched something or talked about it. I don't know. Sometimes they make it a little difficult. Sometimes they're a little cheeky with it. Sometimes they do the marketing thing where they have brands and people leak things beforehand. Sometimes they do that thing. Okay, I understand. Sometimes when you're moving fast and you think a brand has already talked about it, but that's what I'll say about that. You will absolutely be seeing this on my page by the time that, number one, I've had the time to use this and get into this, but if it's a formula that I'm familiar with, you'll probably see it pretty soon after I've been trying it and kind of playing with these shades, or you're gonna see this pretty close to that date. I am literally so thrilled. Okay, there's a little note. You know I love a note, but this is a secret note. Oh, sweet God. Cool toned contour collection? Okay. Launching on Friday, May 2nd. Intuition is in here. I love Intuition. Omen, softly cool tone taupe. Premonition, new shadowy sable with ashen mauve. Eclipse, blackened aubergine imbued with tawny undertones. Imbued? Is that how you even say that? With tawny undertones? Tawny? Divination, new deepest umber with soft midnight blue undertones. Oh, I'm sweating. I can feel my armpits getting damp. I'm sorry, Rituel De Fille. That was, sorry. Anyway, little sticker. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh, stop. I could smooch you on the mouth, metaphorically. It's okay. I'm actually so excited about this. I don't know if I can handle it. Here is my intuition. I love this product so much. I never want to be without it. This is a product that I must have at all times. And that's not even dramatic. I have to have this with me at all times. It's fused to my soul at this point. I love it. It's cool tone. It's gorgeous. It blends well. It's just, this is so good. So thank you, Rituel De Fille, for another one of these. This to me is heavenly. Like, this is absolutely what dreams are made of. Hey now, hey now. My body temperature is calm down. I actually need to calm down. I'm like so excited I don't want to open them. I'm gonna open Omen first. You can use I'm gonna put this on my lips. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna put one of these on my lips, or maybe a few of them. So that was Intuition. Oh God, even the sticker. Here's the sticker for Omen on the bottom. Normal, like Rituel De Fille packaging. It has Rituel De Fille like logo with the little stars on it. It's very cute. I love this packaging. It's very handy. It also has a mirror inside, which I really do enjoy. Also, before I forget, here is like the unit carton of them. You got the front, you got the shade indicator on top with the shade name, all the information with the little stars, which I do love. I love the stars on these. Information here on the back. Create with the ultimate artistry color, nuanced shade, bold pigmentation, and a stunning skin-like finish. Meet in this opulent, multi-use, mistake-proof formula. Made from post-consumer recycled plastic compact. Incredible. Amazing. Just for a visual too, this is what a fresh, like, Intuition looks like. Dear God. No matter how many times I see that, I love it so much. Here's Omen. Yeah. Premonition. Same thing. All of these are going to have the same component. Very cute. Wow. Yeah. Actually, before I continue, this was Omen close up, like after I kind of mixed it in the shade. You can tell that this is a poured product because you can kind of see like the lines like of pigment, but then you see when I swirl my finger in there, it's uniform. I just wanted to make a note of that really quickly. There's nothing wrong with, like, you see how there's a little bit more orange out here because it's a poured product. Again, this is Premonition. Texture is so nice on the eyes in a millisecond. Oh, Oh, no, 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 that's stunning. Oh, that's stunning. It's very sheer too, like a little wash of this. Jesus, God, that's pretty. Obviously, I wouldn't wear this as like a daily contour for myself, but I would use this in a number of different ways. I'm gonna put this on my lips too. I'm gonna tell you right now. Yeah, dude. On the eyes, ooh, ooh, ooh. This is divination. Oh, baby. Yup, yup. Oh, uh-huh, uh-huh. My neighbor's dog agrees. Absolutely. I'm making these swatches a little more sheer. These are stunning. Please. This is Eclipse. Ooh. Oh. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yep. Yes. Yes. Wow. Okay, here's them all together. I added a swatch of my intuition down there. My mouth is watering. I love this. I don't know what else to say other than I Oh, again, these swatches are pretty sheer. Swatches also will not tell you how it wears on your face. So if you see something on the back of someone's hands, that's not exactly how it's going to look on you. And that's okay. And swatches can be helpful to a degree, but I just kind of wanted to lay them out for like my eyes to see. Also, sometimes it's helpful to see pigmentation and stuff like that if I want to lay it more sheer over my tattoos. The intuition swatch, I will say, is a little bit more built up, so I can sheer that out a little bit. But I'm happy to see this assortment of colors. I think these are really stunning. I'm really excited to see this range. Obviously, I am but the shade of paper, but I can use these in different ways. What I'm excited about is the ability to have a contour line that is a contour line. You know what I'm saying? I will honestly be most excited to see this on other people, on my friends, to see these contour shades, these cream pigments used in a multitude of ways. But I think that this formula is so beautiful. I already know that I love the cream pigments so very much. So like this to me is a brilliant, brilliant launch for Rituel De Fille. And honestly, just a brilliant beauty launch, period. I'm gonna put a couple of these on my lips. I'm gonna take Premonition to start and kind of use it as a lip liner or like a lip border kind of contour situation. And I'm just gonna pick it up on a lip brush. Absolutely. Whoa, yeah. Yup. Yes, yes. Maybe a little of Eclipse on the edges. Okay. Oh, oh, oh. I'm gonna take a little bit of Omen in the center. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ooh, ooh. I love these tones on the lips. I love this formula on the cheeks. I actually haven't worn it on the eyes, so I would be really excited to try that. I think just setting with powder would probably prevent or help or slow down any creasing. I think these shades together are so stunning. I think this collection makes a lot of sense. I think this is something that we really, really want and need and have been asking for in the beauty space, in the industry. I'm very excited to see these from a brand who has provided me products that I use daily, like truly has staples, whether it be their mascara or intuition. Eros has become another one of my favorites. Black Locust, the like lip glosses that they have, dear Lord. I believe these are $32 each. For how much I use the intuition, like it has lasted me a very long time, but $32 is not cheap by any stretch of the imagination. However, I do not find that this feels or ever looks cheap. Again, obviously I'm sitting here with these shades on my lips right now, but I can speak to intuition working so wonderfully on my face. It is unbelievably stunning. The blend is so good. So good. I love this. I'm so happy about this. This is stunning. Rituel De Fille did send these to me, so thank you so much. I literally have no obligation or need to talk about these, but a very high want. And I hope that that's understood on my page. This is a lip all over. Oh, I have really come to love this brand, and all of my interactions with them have been so wonderful. So I am a big, big fan. Rituel, these are stunning. Bravo. Thank you for these. Oh, wait, they're different. Hold on. The packaging is a little different. This one, the newer one has Rituel De Fille with the little stars on front, and this one used to have like little circles. Oh my God. So it is different. That's so cute. Oh, I love that. Okay, anyway, let me know your thoughts on these. And as always, thanks for being here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.